Hey everyone, it's Ghoul. Welcome back to my channel. Now, we all know skincare is super important, but did you know that your journey to glowing skin can actually start with what you drink first thing in the morning? That's right. Certain drinks can work wonders from the inside out, giving your skin that healthy, radiant look we all crave. So, if you're tired of dull, tired-looking skin, what if I told you that your glowing skin transformation starts with your first sip in the morning? Today, I'll share the best vitamin-packed drinks that'll revive your skin, boost hydration, and leave you shining all day. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kickstart our day and our skincare routine with a simple yet incredibly effective drink lemon water with a boost of zinc and vitamin C. Now you might be thinking, lemon water? I've heard that before. But trust me, adding zinc and vitamin C takes it to a whole new level, transforming this simple drink into a collagen-boosting powerhouse. First up, let's talk about vitamin C. It's a superstar ingredient for your skin. It's a potent antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damaging free radicals, those pesky little molecules that contribute to premature aging. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production. And collagen, my friends, is the protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and youthful. So, by incorporating vitamin C into your morning routine, you're essentially giving your skin a head start in the fight against wrinkles and fine lines. Now, let's move on to zinc. Zinc plays a crucial role in skin health by regulating oil production, which is fantastic if you're prone to breakouts or have oily skin. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm and soothe irritated skin. This dynamic duo of zinc and vitamin C works synergistically to promote clear, radiant skin. Making this drink is incredibly easy. Start your day by squeezing half a juicy lemon into a glass of warm water. I find warm water to be gentler on the stomach first thing in the morning. Now, for an extra boost of electrolytes and a hint of flavor, add a pinch of Himalayan salt. Finally, if you feel your diet might be lacking in zinc, consider adding a zinc supplement tablet to your drink, and there you have it. A refreshing, skin-loving drink that will set you up for a glowing day ahead. Our next skin-glowing elixir is a personal favorite of mine. Aloe vera juice with biotin. Now you've probably heard of aloe vera and its soothing properties, especially if you've ever gotten a sunburn. But did you know that it's equally beneficial when consumed internally? Aloe vera is a true miracle worker when it comes to skin health. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to hydrate, soothe, and protect your skin from within. One of the key benefits of aloe vera is its ability to deeply moisturize the skin. It's like a tall drink of water for your cells, plumping them up and giving your complexion a healthy, dewy glow. And if you struggle with dryness or irritation, aloe vera's soothing properties can work wonders in calming inflammation and reducing redness. Now let's talk about biotin, also known as the beauty vitamin. Biotin plays a vital role in maintaining the health of your skin, hair, and nails. When it comes to your skin, biotin helps strengthen the skin's barrier function, which is essential for preventing moisture loss and protecting your skin from environmental aggressors. To make this skin-loving concoction, simply combine 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice with water or your favorite beverage. I prefer to have mine first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal absorption. And to supercharge this drink, add 1 biotin supplement. You can find biotin supplements at most drugstores or health food stores. With consistent use, you'll notice a remarkable difference in the texture, tone, and overall radiance of your skin. Chapter 3. Let's be real. Sometimes we need a little more than just a simple drink in the morning. That's where our next skin-glowing concoction comes in. A nutrient-packed green smoothie bursting with vitamin E and magnesium. This smoothie is not only delicious and energizing, but also a powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients that will nourish your skin from the inside out. First up, let's talk about spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional superstar, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including a healthy dose of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which we know contribute to premature aging. It also helps to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, giving it a healthy, youthful glow. Next, we have bananas, a rich source of potassium which is essential for maintaining proper hydration levels in the body, including your skin. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which plays a role in regulating oil production, keeping your skin clear and balanced. Now let's not forget about chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining the integrity of your skin's barrier function, keeping it hydrated and plump. They're also a good source of fiber, which helps to regulate digestion and eliminate toxins from the body, contributing to clearer, healthier skin. And finally, almond milk provides a creamy base for our smoothie while also being a good source of vitamin E. You can use any type of milk you prefer, but I find unsweetened almond milk to be a great option for its neutral flavor and skin-loving benefits. To make this delicious and nutritious green smoothie, simply blend together a handful of spinach, half a banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a cup of almond milk. You can adjust the quantity of each ingredient to suit your taste preferences. Blend until smooth and creamy, and enjoy this refreshing and skin-glowing drink as part of your morning routine. Chapter 4. Now, for a bonus tip, let's talk about collagen peptides. You might have heard of collagen supplements, and for good reason. Collagen is a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining the elasticity and firmness of our skin. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. But don't worry, incorporating collagen peptides into your diet can help replenish your body's collagen stores and promote youthful-looking skin. Collagen peptides are short-chain amino acids that are easily absorbed by the body. When you consume collagen peptides, they provide the building blocks your body needs to produce more collagen. This can lead to a variety of skin benefits, including increased hydration, improved elasticity, reduced wrinkles, and a more youthful complexion. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate collagen peptides into your morning routine. One of my favorite ways is to add a scoop of unflavored collagen peptides to my water bottle, along with some refreshing cucumber slices and a sprig of mint. Cucumber is not only hydrating but also contains silica, a mineral that contributes to collagen production. Mint adds a refreshing flavor and can help to soothe the digestive system. Simply fill your water bottle with filtered water, add a scoop of collagen peptides, a few slices of cucumber, and a sprig of mint. Give it a good shake or stir to combine the ingredients and sip on this refreshing and skin-plumping drink throughout the day. So to recap, lemon water with zinc and vitamin C, aloe juice with biotin, a green smoothie with magnesium and vitamin E and collagen water, these are the secrets to morning skin magic. Try any of these for a week and you will see a difference. Remember, beautiful skin starts from within. By nourishing your body with these vitamin-packed drinks, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to glow from the inside out. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite morning skin ritual. Stay glowing.